This bird builds a fake door, just to fool predators. This is the Penduline Tit, and its nest is basically a security system. It hangs the nest over water or thin branches, places predators can barely reach the entrance, hidden, covered, and sometimes fake. The bird builds false openings to confuse snakes and animals hunting for eggs. Even crazier, the real entrance can be sealed shut when the bird leaves. From the outside, it looks empty. No movement, no smell, no clue. Tiny bird, next-level architecture, nature's master of deception.